wig number 490, available at magichaircompany.com. This is one of our beautiful 14-inch curly custom colored wigs, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to style and hydrate one of the wigs from Magic Hair Company. First, I want to show you how natural looking this hairline looks right here. There's slight baby hair that you can just flick out however you like. All of our wigs are free parting, so you can easily part this wig to show you a great hairline part anywhere you want. The inside cap construction is like so. All of our wigs are made with an adjustable band right here that you can easily take on and off. It is easily adjusted right here. We do have extra security in the back with a comb back here at the nape. And this lace gets cut off right here in store. Whether your wig is shipped to you or you make your purchase online, we will gladly cut off the lace for you. All right, so now I'm going to style this wig and hydrate it with our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. This is the absolute best product to use on your curly and wavy wigs and human hair extensions. This was specially formulated for human hair, premium human hair extensions from Magic Hair Company. This will work great, whether you want a soft hold or a hold with a little bit more stick to it. Just find exactly how much you want to use, and this is a perfect product to use. Most importantly, it will not break your face out, and it's made from primarily natural products. In this bottle here, I have about a grape size amount of this product here mixed with water. I shake it up like so, and now I'm going to thoroughly hydrate this wig and show you what a difference hydrating this wig right here will make. All of our wigs at Magic Hair Company are made with the finest quality human hair. There's no mix-ins, there's no animal hair. If you want a long-lasting quality wig, shop with Magic Hair Company. We have our beautiful location here in Culver City. Our boutique is open right now. You can come in, select a wig. We do custom coloring here in store. We have our very own hair care product line. We can do a one-on-one custom color consultation, and most importantly, all of our wigs are glueless. So if you're not able to make it to your stylist right now, come on in and shop with Magic Hair Company and get you a glueless wig. Our glueless wigs can be glued down or sewn down, but they are made to be glueless. So as you see here, I put a little bit of our hydrating curl definer. I'm simply brushing my fingers through this hair to get it nice and mixed in here. You want to make sure to thoroughly hydrate the hair like so. It smells really good, but it's not an overwhelming smell to the product here. Our hydrating curl definer is available at magichaircompany.com and in our Culver City store, as well as all of the details on this wig right here. This is wig number 490, which is a 14-inch curly custom colored wig available in the featured wig section of magichaircompany.com, and you will find all of the unit details that you need right there. So I'm just thoroughly hydrating the hair right here with our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. It's very important that you get all the way down to the ends of the hair right here. Our curly hair is very easy to maintain, whether it's curly, whether it's deep body wave, whether it's kinky curly. All of our hair is really, really easy to maintain. So as you see right here, I'm just fingering right through the hair. You don't see any hair on my hand right here. This is really, really high quality hair. You see how we define the texture right there? Check out how beautiful this is right here. And there you go. You can change the part. It's easiest to do when the hair is fully saturated. I'll wet this a little bit more, but there you go. Once again, this is wig number 490, available at magichaircompany.com in our featured wig section. If you want a high quality wig that's going to last you, shop with us if you want the best. See you soon.